It's your boy, the Grandmaster Grant Writer, coming back to hit you with another video. And in this video, I got some good news for you people. The grants just now opened up. They opened up on the 8th. This grant is for businesses. This is for businesses that you can get grants from up to $5,000 to $25,000 for your business. This grant has been out for a minute, and on the 8th, I believe, the grant will also be for strictly for arts organizations and culture organizations. Arts organizations and cultural organizations. So we have business grants. So if you have a business, you most definitely can apply for this grant. You do not have to have a nonprofit organization, people. You do not have to have a nonprofit organization. You just have to have a business. You know my mission is to help economically empower our communities. And here in Antelope Valley, Los Angeles, this grant is available everywhere. So the first two rounds, this is, I believe, 7 and 8, and then the 9th. So 7 and 8, this first one is for businesses. I'm going to give you all the information. Don't worry about it. The first one is for businesses. The second one is strictly for arts and cultural organizations. And then in September, starting September 8th, if you have a nonprofit organization, yes, you qualify for this grant. Our organization already received this grant. Super simple to fill out. I think your 5-year-old son or daughter can literally fill this out. That's how super simple it is. I've had other clients who's also filled out the same grant application, and they received their grant funding too. So I think they got like $5 billion left. So what you're looking for is Lendistry. And I'm going to put this picture up so you can look at and copy the information. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm going to leave it up long enough for you to see the phone number, get the address, and everything. This grant is available right now for businesses. In a few days, I think on the 8th, it opened up for arts organizations and community organizations, cultural organizations, and then it will be opened up for nonprofits starting next month. So that is the address and all the information. I am going to leave it in the description and the link below. These are grants that's coming out super easy for you, even if you have a profit business or a nonprofit organization. You will be able to qualify for these grants. It's your boy, the Grantmaster. Go ahead and apply for that grant. Super easy. You'll get it. Talk to you soon. Peace.
Hey, come and check out Pharaoh Mitchell's Enterprise. Teaching people to dream with their eyes open. You gotta learn to survive. He miles above the rest, he gon' put you to the test. Teaching people to start businesses, organizations that's non-profited, entrepreneurship, start over 365 businesses, community enrichment specialist. He the gotta get it how we live it how we can. Success is the key and Pharaoh is the man.